Give me a couple of minutes to the end of this video and I will show you how to transform your e-com store's homepage to generate more money per visitor that lands on your store. That's something that we've been doing for the last 12 years here at ConversionWise. Let's jump straight into the transformation. So this is episode number 89 of CRO Insights. If you want to get all these other page breakdowns, multiple different brand types, pages, different companies we've worked with over the last several years, then head on over to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, and you'll get notified as soon as these videos drop each week. This is a homepage transformation, and as you can see, the before and after design are completely different. So we start with our notice bar. Subtle changes here, but if you have a notice bar and you're linking to something, I definitely recommend putting something like shop now with an underline that then links to your collection page, because it's going to get more clicks and it can generate you more profit. We then have our trust policy bar below the navigation. It just scrolls and showcases why people should trust us as a brand, especially if you're a cold consumer clicking a paid ad. We then use a different image with a lower opacity at the bottom, which gives us some real estate to add a clear title and a title description that explains exactly what this store is, gets the value perception across, and really pumps up that value proposition as soon as you land on the page. You'll notice in the before design, there was no call to action above the fold, a big no-no on home pages. So what we've done, we've included this full width pill button that stands out. It has a directional cue on the end, pushing people in a certain way, and it just says shop all bestsellers. That it's going to remove any kind of a doubt of where we should click, where we should go. It's just pushing people in that herd mentality to the best sellers. Below that, we've managed to get in our all-important social proof. We've got clear stars, a clear rating, and this is just going to convert way better. If you want your store to convert way better, then you better get in touch with us. It's conversionwise.com. There's a link below this video. We'll get on a free discovery call. We'll understand you and your brand, and we'll suggest ways in which we can really enhance your business. I'll see you in the next video.